Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Float Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome. I'm happy you're here with me today. We're going to have some fun and do a triple bloom. This is a 10 by 20. And let me tell you about our colors. This is a teal mixed with cerulean blue. The teal was by Golden. By Amsterdam we have Azo Yellow Deep. By Amsterdam, Quinacridone Rose, and then we have 24 Karat Gold. My granddaughter's over here and she's visiting, and yeah, she's on Minecraft building a city or something.
I'm not building a city, I'm already in the village.
Oh, she's in her village. And we're painting, right? Yeah. Okay, so my pillow paint is PPG Multi-Pro. And first I'm going to put a little bit paint on my spinner. Maybe on the back of a little bit on the back of this, just so it doesn't slip around. I don't want it to slip off. Whoops, I'll center it later, but right now I'm going to be, let's see, right there for now. All right, now I want a bloom. For the finished piece, I want a bloom that's like this big, and then I want part of the other bloom here and here, close to this bloom. The problem is the last one I made, the bloom was so big that I lost everything here, and especially on these long sides, it goes off, the paint goes off much faster that way. So I have to keep in mind to try to do it smaller here and not too much pillow paint. That will help also. So let's see. Let's see, I got a little something in the paint here. I don't know, I'm gonna spread it out just a little bit. Got something in there. All right. Okay, I might need a little bit more, but I can always add that later because I'm adding paint also to it. So, okay. So we're going to start out with our teal. This is teal and cerulean blue. Make a small puddle in the middle. Not too big. That was quite bubbly. Next I have my Azo Yellow. Lyra, you want to turn that down a little? Huh? Turn it down a little, please. Turn the volume down. And then we have our Quin Rose. If you know me, you know I love that color. And our 24 Karat Gold is just going to go right around the Quin Rose. Like that. The one that I did before, here I have it on the wall, I'll show you, which was these colors. Let's see. Oh, is this one, and that's using those colors. Let's see, yeah. So it should look something like that. Okay, now my cell activator is going to be Payne's Gray today. No, I was going to use something different. I'm going to use Prussian Blue. All right. All right, I'm going to blow it out. Let's see, which blow dryer? I'm going to use the flower. Okay. All right. Now let's do the next puddle. I'm gonna do it quite close, like here. Teal, Azo Yellow, Quinacridone Rose, and our 24 karat gold. You got some peacock cells there.
Where?
No, in my painting, honey. All right. Okay, our Prussian blue cell activator. All right, here we go. Okay, so this will all come off, and I'm left with, this one has some good lacing here. Let's see, I would like to get, let's see if I can blow a little of this into there. No, I don't think I'm going to, and I don't want to mess with it, ruin a good thing. Okay, let's do another bloom over here. A little less bubbly. Oh, there's a bubble. All right, Prussian blue. Oh, that was kind of a lot. It's okay. Here we go. Okay, this middle one sure got kind of squashed. I wonder if, okay, there, that's better. Okay, now what I'm looking for is if there's anything dark that I don't like. Everything will be magnified when you spin it out, so I'm not happy with this right here. Let's see what I can do about it. Oh, where's my napkins? Get some. Just gently dipping my stick into it. And it seems to be doing the trick. I don't mind a little bit of it. All right, this is okay. I think there's a bubble. I think everything else is okay. Now, because I don't have, I think I will put a little, so I didn't make this too big. So I'm gonna add a little bit more pillow paint because I need enough to come off the edges, especially the corners here.
In a minute.
Okay. All right, let's see. I'm gonna scoot it over just a little bit here. Do I need to adjust my camera just a little bit? Okay, here we go. Let's see. Make sure it's even on the spinner. There we go. Nice colors. Ooh, that is pretty. So definitely, usually by these few spins, most of these blooms would be off. But I did use less pillow paint. So let's see, let me move a little bit this way. And that definitely, you'll keep more then. But I do have some more spinning to do. Oops! I'm kind of spinning out of control here. See if I got coverage on corner, almost here, not quite. This thing is slipping down below. So the blue cell activator is working nicely. It kind of looks a little purplish in some spots, but it's blue. It's not so dark of a purple. That's bright. That's pretty. I did not expect so much of these blooms to stay. So, let's see. Let's check how much paint is in the middle. We still have to spin out a little bit more. Oh, that's looking really pretty. Very bright. Brighter than the other one. Maybe it's because of the blue cell activator. No, I'm not sure. Hi, Mikey.
Are you videoing?
Huh?
Are you videoing?
that is very bright. Very bright and happy. Is it too bright? It depends on your decor that you want to go with. Oh, this is nice. The lacing's beautiful. Okay, well, I think on the next time I might do these blooms first and then the middle one, so it's more of a rounded bloom. And each time I do this, I learn a little bit more. And I wish you God's blessing, and I will get you down for a close-up.